In the last update at UWM, we talked about our progress on the bridge. This time, we're fixing the parking lot and finishing the restaurant. The Hunter House is the CEO of UWM's favorite burger spot. He likes it so much that he requested we create an exact functioning replica of the original Birmingham, Michigan location, right on UWM's campus. Due to the rapid growth at UWM, we needed to expand the parking lot capacity to accommodate the new employees and vendors. The east lot of the property was redesigned to accommodate. Our job required us to demolish parts of the existing lot, remove a portion of the green belt areas, and install new utilities. A major part of the job was to keep the roadways and parking lot open during construction, so a lot of the work that would interfere with traffic had to be done either at night or on weekends. Because we were working on industrial property, contamination is always tested for, and all the excavated soil was sent to a special landfill with a manifest for every load. Overall, the lot was a challenge that we overcame without major issues. With their new, safe, and well-designed parking lot, everyone at UWM's East lot will surely find a spot more efficiently and effectively.